Are all future web applications going to be created in PyScript? Given the opportunity, why would you use JavaScript when Python has all of the features of a modern programming language and a great number of libraries that serve a wide range of application types? Please wait for a moment. For many data scientists who have spent a significant amount of time and effort learning Python and its different libraries, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, SciPy, Plotly, Python in the browser is an excellent idea. Those of us who have spent a lot of time developing data visualizations in Jupyter notebooks, for example, can now publish our work directly to the web without having to worry about server frameworks like Django or Flask, or how to deploy an app on Heroku, Oz, or Azure. PyScript applications are simply web pages. However, there is a significant amount of money invested in JavaScript development, and most JavaScript-based online apps are uninterested in data science. JavaScript, too, has a vast number of libraries for a variety of uses, and, unlike earlier versions that were a little flaky and inconsistently built, JavaScript is now a modern full-featured programming language. If you're a React.js developer, for example, a switch to PyScript is unlikely to be welcomed with welcoming arms. JavaScript programs are also just web pages. This deployment is simple. PyScript also lacks some capability at the time. For example, you may need to utilize PyScript-specific functions to load data from a server. On the plus side, it works well with the DOM and JavaScript functions, which adds to normal Python's functionality. Is PyScript a competitor to JavaScript? No. Will it be a good approach for scientists and data scientists to build lightweight web apps? We believe so, but there is still more work to be done. So, what exactly is PyScript good for? And right now, the solution is lightweight programs that could be created in JavaScript if the necessary libraries were available. These are, for the most part, science and data science applications, and ones that don't require a lot of processing but could be slow in a browser, and where the authors are already familiar with Python. PyScript is now under alpha development, so it will only get better, although it is currently a little slow to get started. This is entirely dependent on the hardware on which it is running. We tried running apps we created on a Windows 10 tablet with 2 GB of RAM, and it took roughly 2 minutes for the app to load and initialize before it could start working. That's a long time. On the other hand, that operation took less than 30 seconds on a standard home laptop. We've seen several websites that take that long to fully load on the same hardware. PyScript also lacks certain functionality at the moment. For example, you may find that you have to use PyScript-specific functions to load data from a server, although on the positive side it interacts very well with the DOM and JavaScript functions, which is additional functionality to standard Python. So, is PyScript a threat to JavaScript? No. Will it be a useful way of constructing lightweight web apps for scientists and data scientists? We think so, but there is quite a lot more work to be done.